Okay, come on.
What do you think? Hi. Oh, cool.
Jules, that's funny. What is it, Riley? What is it? Do you know what it is?
Mom, we have tire string next to our door.
Yeah.
Just like this tire string.
Yeah.
You hold on tight. Yeah, you hold on tight. Come on up. You can go down the slide. You hold on tight.
What do you think, Riley? Do you like it?
Good boy. How you doing the slide?
Triangle.
Triangle? Good slide, Nick. Yeah. Good slide, buddy.
Okay.
Go ahead. Whee. Go ahead. Go down slide.
Whee! It's a bumpy slide. Whee! Do you like it, Riley?
Yeah.
Dora? Yeah.
They were watching Dora.
Dora shows, yeah. On the map.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think those are, Riley?
Come on, Nick. Climb up.
Huh?
Cool.
But what do you think all those are?
Cool.
No, behind you.
But what's that?
Boy. There you go. Good boy. Let slide. Slide only right now, okay? Slide only right now, yes.
Come on, buddy. Arms up. Whee!